Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into the world of barndominiums, where rustic country charm meets sleek, modern living. If you've ever dreamed of a home that's both cozy and incredibly stylish, you're in the right place. We've curated a list of 25 absolutely stunning barndo designs that are redefining what it means to live in the countryside. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about the heart of so many of these homes, the open floor plan. Imagine walking into a massive, airy space where the living room, dining area, and kitchen flow seamlessly together. Soaring overhead, you'll often find incredible rustic wooden beams that add so much character and warmth. These designs often pair that rustic wood with ultramodern kitchens. Think sleek quartz countertops, professional-grade appliances, and minimalist cabinetry. It's this contrast that makes the space feel both inviting and sophisticated. It's perfect for family gatherings or just enjoying that incredible sense of freedom and space. Next, we are seeing a huge trend in barndominiums that embrace the surrounding landscape. How do they do it? With stunning glass facades. We're retalking entire walls of floor-to-ceiling windows that not only flood the interior with beautiful natural light but also frame panoramic views like a living work of art. Whether it's rolling hills, a serene lake, or a dense forest, these homes make you feel completely connected to the outdoors. The boundary between inside and outside practically disappears, creating a tranquil and breathtaking living experience. Now for a style combination that is absolutely taking over: industrial meets rustic. Picture this: exposed steel beams and polished concrete floors providing a cool, edgy, industrial foundation. But then, it's all balanced perfectly with the warmth of natural wood walls, reclaimed timber accents, and cozy textiles. This blend creates a space that feels both strong and soft, modern and timeless. It is a testament to how contrasting materials can come together to create something truly unique and harmonious. Of course, what's a country home without a fantastic outdoor space? Many barndominiums are incorporating expansive covered patios that capture that classic farmhouse vibe. These aren't just small porches, they are full-blown outdoor living rooms. Outfitted with comfortable seating, outdoor dining tables, and charming string lights, they're designed for entertaining guests, enjoying a morning coffee, or just relaxing with a good book while shielded from the elements. It extends the living space and truly embraces the country lifestyle. But don't think rustic means giving up on modern comforts. The luxury features we are seeing in barndominiums are next level. Imagine stepping from your open-plan living room directly onto an expansive deck that leads to a stunning infinity pool. These pools are designed to look as if they're merging with the horizon, creating a five-star resort feel right in your own backyard. It's the perfect blend of rustic architecture and high-end, luxurious living, proving you really can have it all. While the exteriors often have that classic barn look, the interiors can be surprisingly sleek and modern. We're seeing a lot of designs that favor clean lines, a neutral color palette of whites, grays, and beiges, and minimalist furniture. This approach creates a calm, uncluttered atmosphere that feels incredibly stylish and comfortable. The focus is on form and function, allowing the architectural details, like a vaulted ceiling or a unique window, to really shine. It's a sophisticated take on country living. Many barndominiums also make brilliant use of vertical space. Adding charming second-floor balconies and lofts creates extra functional areas without closing off the main living space. A loft can be a cozy reading nook, a home office, or an extra sleeping area, all while overlooking the great room below. Interior balconies add another layer of architectural interest and provide a private little retreat within the open concept design. It's a smart way to maximize square footage while keeping that airy, open feel. With a focus on smart design, it's no surprise that many barndos are also eco-friendly. We are seeing more and more sustainable builds that incorporate features like solar panels on those large, sloping roofs to generate their own electricity. They also use energy-efficient windows, high-grade insulation, and sustainable building materials. These homes are not just beautiful, they're designed to have a smaller environmental footprint and lower utility bills, which is a win-win for homeowners and the planet. For those who love simplicity, minimalist barndominium styles are a dream come true. Think crisp white walls, simple and functional layouts, and a deliberate lack of clutter. Every piece of furniture and decor has a purpose. This less is more approach creates a serene and peaceful environment where you can truly unwind. The beauty of these homes lies in their simplicity, proving that you don't need a lot of stuff to create a beautiful and welcoming home. A true icon of country architecture is the wraparound porch, and barndominiums are giving it a modern update. These traditional porches are being reimagined with contemporary materials, sleek railings, and stylish outdoor furniture. They offer 360-degree views of the property and provide multiple spots for relaxation and entertainment. Whether you're watching the sunrise from the east side or the sunset from the west, the modern wraparound porch is the ultimate space for quiet contemplation. To create that jaw-dropping sense of volume and light, many barndominiums feature dramatic cathedral ceilings. These incredibly high, pitched ceilings make any room feel grand and spacious. Paired with huge windows, sometimes even clerestory windows high up the walls, they allow sunlight to pour in from every angle throughout the day. This design element not only looks stunning but also enhances the feeling of openness that is so central to the barndo lifestyle. The connection to the outdoors continues with amazing entertainment spaces. We are seeing custom-built outdoor fire pits that become the natural gathering spot on cool evenings. Imagine cozying up with friends and family, roasting marshmallows under the stars. And it doesn't stop there. Fully equipped outdoor kitchens, complete with grills, sinks, and countertops, make al fresco dining a breeze. These features transform the backyard into an essential part of the home. The exteriors of these homes are just as impressive as the interiors. Modern industrial exteriors are making a bold statement with dark, corrugated metal siding, often in black or charcoal grey. This is frequently combined with exposed steel beams and sleek, minimalist window frames. The look is sharp, contemporary, and incredibly striking against a natural landscape. It's a powerful design that's both durable and low maintenance. Inside, the magic continues with a masterful blend of rustic and contemporary touches. It's common to see a classic sliding barn door leading to a modern home office, or natural wood shelving set against an industrial-style steel accent wall. This fusion of elements is what gives barndominiums their unique personality. It's a celebration of different textures and styles, all coexisting beautifully under one roof. And for the ultimate in relaxation, let's circle back to those incredible outdoor spaces. We're not just talking about a simple pool, we are talking about luxurious pool and lounge areas that feel like a private resort. Think sleek, modern pools surrounded by comfortable, stylish lounge chairs, cabanas, and even water features. These spaces are meticulously designed to merge the comfort of the indoors with the beauty of the outdoors, creating the perfect oasis for leisure and entertainment. Warmth and coziness are key, even in the most modern designs. This is achieved through stylish wood finishes. From warm honeytone pine on the ceiling to rich, dark walnut flooring, wood is used to enhance the welcoming feel of the home. These natural details provide a beautiful contrast to cooler elements like concrete or metal and ensure that even the most open, modern space feels like a cozy, inviting home. Finally, a feature that's both functional and incredibly cool: glass garage doors. These are often used not for cars, but as a retractable wall in a living room or dining area. On beautiful days, the door can be rolled up, completely opening the space to a patio or deck. It's an industrial chic element that adds a sleek, modern touch while maximizing the connection between indoor and outdoor living. It's innovative, practical, and just looks amazing. And that's a wrap on our tour of 25 stunning barndominium designs. From open-plan living and luxury pools to eco-friendly features and minimalist interiors, these homes truly offer the best of both worlds. We hope you feel as inspired as we do. Which design was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more amazing home designs, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. We'll see you in the next one.